Hello and good morning, students. I'm Shudipto, your English educator. Today, I'm going to discuss from your book New Images, and the name of the chapter is Father's Help. Okay, and Father's Help is written by R.K. Narayan. It is for class 7 students. This chapter 5, and you have to open your book, the page number 45, the right hand side column, the last column. From the last column, today I am going to start, and it is the third part. I have already discussed first part and second part. Now I am going to discuss third part. Okay, so now students, let's start. So before proceeding the main text, I just want to recap of second part. Okay, so it will help to connect with the previous parts with this lesson. From here, it is a story of a boy whose name is Swaminathan. He is a student and he doesn't want to go school anymore. Okay, so one day he plans that he will not go to school. One day he plans not to go school, and excusing that due to headache he is not able to go school. Swaminathan tells his father that he gets a headache and he is already late. His maths teacher Samuel is a dangerous man. He beats those students who come late at their class. On hearing this, Swaminathan's father writes a complaint letter and tells Swaminathan to submit the letter to the headmaster so that he can take an action against Samuel. Swaminathan went to school feeling that he was the worst perjurer on earth. He could not decide how much of that he had said to his father that was imagined and how much of it was real, and could not understand what should be done. He was thinking about the character of Samuel, and he didn't have any evidence to prove his allegations. He decided not to submit the letter to his headmaster. Finally, he reached at school gate. Now, I am going to go through the main topic from Swaminathan stood at the entrance. From here on your screen, you are watching this video. Swaminathan stood at the entrance to his class. Samuel was teaching arithmetic. So it is very plain English, no need to explain it anymore. He looked at Swaminathan for a moment. Swaminathan stood, hoping that Samuel would fall on him and tear his skin off. Here, what is the meaning of fall on? Fall on, it is a verb. It means to attack. So Swaminathan thought that as he went his class having late, and Samuel would attack him and tear his skin off. Skin off means peel off or remove skin by beating him. Okay, but Samuel merely asked, "Are you just coming to class?" So Samuel didn't do anything what Swaminathan thought. Samuel merely asked one and only question, that is, "Are you just coming to the class?" So go to the next slide. So here Swaminathan told, "Yes sir, you are half an hour late. I know it." Swaminathan hoped that he would be attacked now. He almost prayed God of Tirupati please make Samuel beat me. So here, why? Uh, I mean, Swaminathan telling to the God that please God makes Samuel beat me. Why? Because if Samuel beats him, so it proves that Samuel is really a very, very bad teacher. So, what those allegations was imposed on the shoulder of Samuel, it seems to be true. Okay, so that he was going to pray to the god Tirupati, please Tirupati, please make Samuel beat me. Now, why are you late? Swaminathan wanted to reply, just to see what you can do. But he merely said, I have a headache, sir. Then why did you come to the school at all? A most unexpected question from Samuel. Because why it is so unexpected? Because as per Swaminathan, Samuel is a very, very bad teacher. He used to beat students very badly. He used to skin off the students and he abused the students. So that this type of answer will come from Samuel. It is unexpected. Okay. So here a most unexpected question from Samuel. My father said that I shouldn't miss the class, sir, said Swaminathan. This seemed to impress Samuel. Your father is quite right, a very sensible man. We want more parents like him. So what is the meaning of sensible? Here is the meaning of sensible means practical. Means your father is very practical. So we need that type of parents who are really practical. Okay. So here it is something very opposite what used to think by Swaminathan. Because here Samuel appreciated Swaminathan's father. So now go to the next page. Oh, you poor worm, Swaminathan thought. Swaminathan thought, oh, you are a silly teacher. I means, oh, you poor worm, means you are negligible. I hate you. In this sense, worm means kide. Okay? Oh, you poor worm. It is thought by Swaminathan. It is not thought by Samuel. And it is also Swaminathan still thinking this. You don't know what my father has done to you. Means you don't know, Samuel. I have brought a letter, a complaint letter in my pocket, and my father knew that you are very dangerous and cruel teacher. So there is a solution for this, and it is in my pocket. So you don't know what my father has done to you. He was more puzzled than ever about Samuel's character. Why? Because Samuel is Samuel is a good teacher. Okay, so naturally Samuel behaves like a very good man. So this type of behavior puzzled Swaminathan. All right, go to a seat. Have you still a headache? So Swaminathan is asking to Swaminathan, okay, no problem. If you have any headache, so no need to take any tension, no need to take any pressure on you. Just there was no need to come to class if you are ill, if you have headache. So no need to come to class. if you at least came in this class, so just no problem, just all right, go to your seat. And have you still a headache? Slightly, sir. Swaminathan went to his seat with a bleeding heart. Why he is bleeding heart? Because bleeding heart means here are feeling too much kindness towards someone who other people think doesn't deserve like kindness. Means someone you know, and actually he deserves the pity. Okay, he deserves the pity, and you are watching, he is really a good man. Now you are feeling this, now you are realizing this, but he is a good man, he is a very genuine man, he is gentle man. But still, why others think that he is a very cruel man? So in this way, kindness will come, a pity will come from your heart to that very person. So this scenario is called with a bleeding heart. Your heart is bleeding. Why? For repentation. You few minutes ago you knew that the person in front of you is very cruel, but after interacting with him you came to know that the person is genuine. He is not like that what others says. He is honest and he deserves pity. So when you are facing this type of problem, so it is called with a bleeding heart. Okay? He had never met a man so good as Samuel. The teacher was. So here he is now confessing that Samuel is such a good person, and he had never met a good man, a genuine man, a very polite and gentle man like Samuel. But he thought there was a very bad impression in his mind about Samuel's character. So here he had never met a man so good as Samuel. The teacher was inspecting the home lessons, means homework. The teacher was correcting or checking the homework copy, which usually produced scenes of great violence. So it is another scenario here. Actually, at least according to Swaminathan's impression, Swaminathan thought that when Samuel is checking the copy, he used to be very violent with the students. Okay, notebooks would be flung at faces. The teacher, if the teacher finds any type of mistake or wrong in the copy, he used to throw the copy on the face of the students. Boys would be abused, caned, and made to stand up on benches. So actually this is not going to be happened. It was a myth. It was a story. It was a very negative story, and it creates a negative impression on the mind of Swaminathan as well as the other students. But this story is not true about Samuel, about Samuel's character. It is created, and it has come from few years. It is created. It is not real. According to Swaminathan, it is true, and he told all these things to his father to prove that Samuel is a very cruel teacher, and this is going to be happened with the students. Okay, But today, Samuel appeared to have developed more tolerance and gentleness. What he thought, what Swaminathan heard from the students, so according to those students and according to Swaminathan, Samuel is a very cruel teacher. But when Swaminathan is as long observing Samuel's character, his behavior, he is going to puzzled that what I have heard about Samuel, he's not like that. Okay. Now next, he pushed away he pushed away the bad books, just touched students with a cane, never made anyone stand up for more than a few minutes. So, what is going on? Here, Samuel is just doing what? Just push. He just pushed the book or the bag with his cane. Yes, obviously there is a cane in the hand of Samuel, but he is not going to beat someone. He is not going to beat anyone in this class. What was he doing? He was just pushed. He just pushed those books and bags on the bench, and he made the students stand up, but not more than few minutes. Okay. Next. Now, Swaminathan's turn came. So, Swaminathan was searching, Swaminathan was waiting to a chance by which he can prove that Samuel is a very cruel teacher. Swaminathan is waiting for this. So at last this chance came to Swaminathan's hand. Swaminathan's turn came. He almost thanked God for the chance. Swaminathan, where is your homework? I have not done any homework, sir, he said blandly. He said blandly. Bland, B-L-N-D-L-Y. Blandly means politely. So, the teacher Samuel asked Swaminathan, where was your homework? So, here Swaminathan told that, sir, I didn't have homework. I didn't do my homework anymore. There was a pause. Why headache? Asked Samuel. Yes, sir. So Samuel told, oh, for the headache, you were not able to complete your homework. Okay, no problem. Now go to the next. Yes, sir. All right, sit down. Swaminathan sat down, wondering what had come over Samuel. Swaminathan is very puzzled, being very puzzled, and Swaminathan is not only puzzled, Swaminathan is confused. How long he was interacting with Samuel, and the good behavior, the polite behavior of Samuel, made change the state of Swaminathan. Okay. Okay, from here. The period came to an end and he left desolate. So the period completed. Desolate means here separated or feeling lonely. Okay. The last period for the day was again taken by Samuel. He came this time to teach them Indian history. So again Samuel came to take the last period, and the period was history. He came this time to teach them Indian history. Okay. The period began at 3:45 and ended at 4:30. As usual, it takes 45 minutes. So in this way, Swaminathan had sat through the previous periods thinking accurately. He could not devise any means of provoking Samuel. But here Swaminathan always trying to find out any guilt. He is trying to find out any chance by means he can prove that Samuel is a very cruel teacher. But nothing is going to be happened with Swaminathan. Swaminathan came late at his class. Then Samuel didn't tell him anything. He welcomed him. Okay. He welcomed him. And the next, Swaminathan did not submit his homework. Still Samuel did not tell him anything. But Swaminathan is waiting for any chance by which he can prove that Samuel is a very dangerous, cruel and mean-minded teacher. Now, so here Swaminathan had sat through the previous periods thinking accurately. Swaminathan was thinking by sitting the whole period through the long time, is thinking about the thing. He could not devise any means of provoking Samuel, and he is going to provoke Samuel. That no, sir, I have not done this thing. Sir, I had a headache. I can't do this, sir. So this type of negative reply was coming from Swaminathan. But every negative reply got positive reply from the teacher Samuel. Okay. When the clock struck 4, he left despair. Okay. Desperate. He felt desperate. Means it was 4 o'clock. Half an hour was still left. So he was thinking when the class will be over. Okay. So that's why he was feeling desperate. Desperate means disturbed. Half an hour more, Samuel was reading the portion describing Vasco da Gama's arrival in India. The boys listened in half languor. What is the meaning of languor here? Languor is noun. It is a state of being lazy. So it is the last period. So all the boys have already lost their energy. So they are in a half sleepy mode. They were dodging. Okay. Swaminathan suddenly asked at the top of his voice, "Why did not Columbus come to India, sir? He lost his way. I can't believe it. It is unbelievable, sir." So still he is trying to provoke. He's trying to provoke Samuel, and he wanted to say something by which Samuel may react, but nothing is going to be happened. So that's why he can't. He was going to make another chance by asking this type of silly question. Okay, the question was, "Why did not Columbus come to India, sir? He lost his way. I can't believe it. It is unbelievable, sir." So by questioning this, he wanted to disturb Samuel. Okay, so students, it is all for now today. It is the third part. There is also a part is left, that is fourth part. Fourth part will come soon, and I have prepared some question for you. You have to solve it as homework. So the first question here: what did Swaminathan decide entering this school? That is the first question. Second question is, who was taking his class? I mean, was taking the first class when he entered the school or entered the class. What was the first question of the students to Swaminathan? Okay. What was Swaminathan's answer? What was Swaminathan's answer for the first question of the teacher? Fifth question: how did take the I'm very sorry, it would be who. It would be who. It would be who. Okay. Who did take the last period? Which subject was taken by the teacher at the last class? What was Swaminathan's question to the teacher at the last class? So these are the questions you have to solve, okay, as a homework, and it is all for now. There is also a part. I will come soon in front of you taking that part. So till then you have to focus on your study. You have to stay at your home, and you have to learn very well. Read very well. If there is any type of confusion or question, you have to read this book. You have to watch this video, so that any type of question will be solved very easily. And after all, I am always with you in that particular scheduled class. If there any type of question or problem with you, please feel free to contact with me. I'll be available there that 30 minutes. Okay, so students, good day for today, and stay safe at your home. Goodbye.